Have you ever been driving down the road and spotted an abandoned building and thought to yourself, man, I gotta go check that out? Well, this is one of those places. I spotted this old stone building a couple weeks ago just off the side of Interstate I-10 when I was heading back to Phoenix coming from Tonopah, Arizona. So I grabbed my camera, my drone, and my vape, and I made my way to what was left of this building. Here's what I saw. Alright, here it is. Looks like this was probably a bigger building at one point in time. Alright, well hopefully we don't have any squatters or homeless people in here, because that wouldn't be good. Ooh, they had a fireplace. That looks like SpongeBob SquarePants mixed with a Smurf. But take a look at that architecture. The majority of the time I've seen buildings put together like this, they were usually constructed in the early 1920s. Ah, look at that. Yeah, that looks like one good storm and psh, kaput. Interesting. Let's check out this fireplace. I don't think we're gonna find any remnants from this building when it was active, because it looks like people just come out here and party, judging by the beer cans that I see out here. Ooh, a lizard! Hey buddy, we just wanna say hi. Don't run away, don't be scared. Crikey, here we have a fireplace. Cool. Look at that brick. That doesn't look like it's doing too bad. Definitely weathering due to the conditions. Got a doorway right here. Some windows. All right, so now we'll go out this door and kind of do a perimeter walk and see what we can find. Whew, rise and shine. Good morning, Martha. All right, let's see what we got back here. Looks like there's probably a fire or something at one point, unless that's just the rocks, but it looks like, yeah, it's definitely been burnt. Backside of the fireplace right there. Maybe this was another room. Maybe it was like a little shop on the way from like Los Angeles to Phoenix. Maybe it was just like food and drinks or directions. You'd pull up with your horse and just grab a beer, maybe some chewing tobacco. Yep, she's a hot one today. Let's go check out this one here. Looks like that ran from that building to the main one. All right, don't know what that is. If you know, let me know in the comment section below, because I want to learn about this. I still care. Oh, that's not a bad thing. Some dude's face. He doesn't look like the most pleasant person in the world. Oh, maybe you can't get inside. Maybe over here? Nope. Well, that was a little bit of a bummer. I thought it was like maybe an old school outhouse or something, but there's definitely piping runs out to there, so who knows? If you know what that is, let me know in the comment section down below. And maybe just thinking on it, maybe that was the bathroom, because that's where the pipes came in right there. Like some fencing. So one thing I did notice that kind of stuck out to me, this place must have been somewhat modern because they did have power. So that kind of gives me a little bit of an idea, but it doesn't tell me anything more than what I kind of already figured. All right, guys, so as far as figuring out what this place is, we just may never know. Part of me thought it was a house, part of me thinks it could have been a rest stop because it's right next to the highway, or I had another thought that maybe it was a church because it just kind of has that look. I don't know many churches that had fireplaces, or even if they did, but who knows, it could have had a wooden rooftop, which is obviously gone, and it wouldn't last too long out in these elements if it's not maintained. But if you guys know, definitely let me know in the comment section down below, because I would love to learn or just hear your thoughts on the place. All right, I think we're going to kick rocks here. But if you guys liked what you saw and you want to see more abandoned buildings, smash that like button and subscribe and comment something random down in the comment section below. We'll see you next week. Take care.